Okay, hold on. I know what you guys are thinking. From travel vlogs to motivational speeches on Shivaji Maharaj and now gardening. Well, there's a story behind it. This is what happened. I posted this photo on my Instagram and Facebook handle, and people went bonkers. They wanted to know how I grew turmeric in my herb garden, that too in an apartment. So, on popular demand, this is my take on gardening videos. Hope you guys enjoy. To make the process faster, always use turmeric pods like this, which has a rhizome, a bud like this growing. So this sprouts very easily, and then you have a faster growing turmeric plant. So always choose turmeric pods with this kind of lymph nodes to it. So what you do is simply dig up, and with the rhizomes facing upwards, just place it and cover it up with soil. That is all. All you have to do now is water a few months later, depending upon where you live and how you have planted the pods. You will notice the leaves have started to dry up, and the plant is suddenly starting to die. I mean, that is what you'll think at first. But then when this process starts, you should know that your plant has now like a buckload of turmeric in your pot. So that is when you know that it is time to harvest the turmeric. Turmeric plant has a tendency to attract insects somehow, so it might get insects and ants very easily. So for that I use this Perfumi, which is pesticide, fungicide and miticide. In case if you have insects or ants living up in your turmeric plant, use this. Is pure neem oil. This is for garden only. Do not consume or sniff this neem oil. This is for garden purpose only. So you can also use this neem oil for your turmeric plant. So when your leaves start to dry up, do not worry that your plant is drying. It's actually a sign that the turmeric is now ready. So I'm just going to dig up all the turmeric that has grown inside this pot. Okay, this is going to need some work, so I'm going to keep the camera aside. See, these roots are very adamant, they won't easily get out of this pot, so I'm going to place the camera and I'm going to dig the turmeric. So I had to place this pipe for support. You can use the young leaves for making teas, from frying fishes, making all sorts of dishes. The smell is amazing. So I've dug up like this much of a container full of soil, and I'm still going deep. You see that? All of that is turmeric down there. So half an hour of digging, and I've dug so much of turmeric. Look at this gold. And look at the color. Look at this beauty. Some of you in the comment section might go wild and say, hey, why are you not using gloves? Most of you who know me know that I have OCD, but when it comes to like serious OCD, but when it comes to gardening, I do not use gloves, because I've been doing this since I was 3-4 years old with my grandmother, and I've never used a glove. Gloves just makes my skin dry, ironically. and I love the touch of soil, the touch of earth. So this is one exception where I do not use gloves. I just use a spade, this thing, and that is all. Make sure if you're doing that, make sure you are washing your hands properly after you're done. You guys, do you want to know why my plants are so healthy and luscious and green? Say hello to my little friends. Bandu, I'm trying to shoot here. So, wormy compost and earthworms. That is my secret. Gross? I think not. So this is the amount of turmeric that I have harvested from this second pot of turmeric plantation. So look at how healthy looking the roots are. So if you have liked this video of how to grow turmeric in a pot in your herb garden, let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button. If you have any suggestions on my next video, if you have any requests for my next video, let me know that too. Mummy, हळद. Wow, thank you for the motivation for me.